Excuse me. Hey, up here. Hey, gather around, everybody. I got some really great news about something happening here at the Boathouse Chicago next weekend. I'll be right down. Hey, everybody. Glad you can gather around and find out this great deal that's going to be happening next weekend. Next Saturday and Sunday, right here on these docks, these slips, on this great body of water up at Stakey Lake, our in-water boat show. We're talking Regals, Godfrey pontoons, Nautique, Supra, Moombas, Hurricane deck boats, all set up for you to test drive. Incredible deals, extra rebates from the manufacturers. You got to come on down. See me. I'm at extension 1210 here. As you can see, our staff is vigorously preparing for your arrival next weekend. We're trying to make sure everything is just perfect, which includes your buying experience here at Boathouse Chicago. You may also want to take a look at some of our closeout specials at our clearance corner. They got to go, folks, so let us work out a great deal, and we look forward to seeing you next weekend. Have a great day.
What are you waiting for?
You ain't gonna want to miss this.